Before 2026 starts, let me ask you one question. Do you actually want your next year to be different, or do you just hope it will be? So let me tell you, hope doesn't change your life, but clarity does. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create that clarity using vision board. So make sure you watch the video till the end and hit the subscribe button below. Before we directly jump to the Canva, the first important step is clarity. So take a piece of paper and divide your goals into categories. It can be your career, it can be finance, it can be relationship, it can be traveling, anything. Just be specific and ask yourself, how do I want this area to look by the end of 2026? Because this step will decide how your vision board will look. Now comes the fun part. Here's my laptop and open the Pinterest and search according to your goals and aesthetic. For example, it can be healthy lifestyle aesthetic, or also you can search for luxury career goals aesthetic, or also it can be the fitness goals. Anything you want, just don't rush the steps and save the images that actually emotionally connects with you. And if the image makes you think like, yes, this is what I want in my life, then save it and download it. Once you have all your images ready, then go to the Canva app and click on create a new design, and you're gonna click on custom size, and the typical custom size of the vision board will be 1920 into 1080 pixels. After having your measurements ready, then click on create a new design and you will have the blank canvas. Here you can add your own pictures and elements, whatever you like, and create your own creativity. But the easiest way to make the vision board is go to designs and search for vision board templates. And you will find so many ready-made templates of the vision board. So as you can see that Canva is giving so many ready-made templates of the vision board, and just choose one of them which you like the most. After choosing a template, go to the uploads and you're gonna click on upload files and upload your all the images that you downloaded from the Pinterest. And what I like most about this kind of templates is you just have to drag and drop the images. In your vision board template, if you don't like any text or elements, then you can delete as well. Or if you want to add some element, then go to the element section and search for whatever you want. If you don't like text color, so you can also change the text color as well. Do your own creativity and customize the template. Once you are done with your vision board, then all you have to do is just click on the share and download it as the PNG form. By doing this all the steps, your vision board is ready, and that's it for the video. Hope this helps.